So you have to brush her daily. She likes it.
Oh, on the tail too? But I thought you're not allowed to touch a cat's tail.
So you have to be gentle, Shannon.
She's like, I'm gonna kick you.
She likes it.
Wow, look at her hair. It's super smooth. Are you supposed to brush her ears?
Not too hard, Shannon. Can you flip over? Flip over, kitty. Flip over. Press tummy. Show me your tummy. Show me your tummy.
Yama, can I hold her? Can I try holding Mommy just once?
Okay, let's brush you. She likes it.
It's so cute.
She likes it.
She's so nice to relax.
No, she's all relaxed.
She likes her bed now. Oh, I'm really. Did you have fun holding her? She's so cute. And fluffy. Oh, I want to hold her.
Okay, go brush your hair. It's your turn, Naomi. Look, there's a bunch of hair.
Can I brush her
Here.
hair? Can I hold her since I'm brushing? She's gonna bite the plant.
Hey, don't eat that plant.
I heard the cat before, and it didn't even scratch him.
See, look, he likes the hairbrush.
Ew.
He likes it.
What about this one? How do you release it?
Okay, you release it like this. Here.
Ah, there,
See?
I got it.
He likes it.
You love being brushed. Your hair likes being brushed. Can I brush your tail?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit. Hey, kitty. Wanna get in
We
here?
got a new house. Shadow, he doesn't like to be crowded. She doesn't like to be crowded. Come here, kitty. Come
A
here.
little bit. I'll move
Come
it.
here.
Let's
You
see.
gotta brush your fur. Gotta brush your little fur.
Oh man, more hair than I expected.
It's not very much, Shadow.
Aww, she's so cute.
See, look, she likes being brushed.
Can you offer me to brush with this?
Let's brush her tummy.
Tummy. Can I try that one?
Here. We'll use this.
I think she likes it. Kitty. Out here, let me. Mommy. Mommy.
Hmm?
The kitty has some like scars on her eye and on her head.
She likes to be brushed every day, Shadow. So if you have 20 minutes, you can brush his hair, and it's gonna make her fur healthy. So she likes it a lot. Come here, come here, kitty.
Kitty. Oh no! It almost fell on you.
It means he wants to be brushed.
Aw, you're so cute. Okay. You love being brushed. Aw, kitty.
Lovely fur. You got a lovely fur, Mrs.
Right.
Bridges.
Oh my, it's super soft.
I know. Do you like being brushed?
So sometimes his hair comes is